from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Teju, standing over here to tell you a story of a mongoose named Riki Tiki Tavi. And the writer of this story is Brinda Ramesh. Once upon a time there lived a mongoose whose name was Riki Tiki Tavi. He lived in a burrow. His fur and his tail was just like that of a cat. In the one rainy day, in the burrow in which he lived with his family was floated. He was washed out of his home. He was somehow floated to a garden, and then he fainted. When he woke up, he saw that he was lying on the middle of the ground in the hot sun, and a small kid was looking at him and saying, "Mama, look, I found a dead mongoose. Let's bury him." But his mother said, "No, he must still be alive. Let's take him inside and dry him." Then they took him inside and dry him and also gave him a raw piece of meat to eat. Now Riki started living with that family. He also made many friends, and one of his friends was Darzi, the tailor bird. One morning, Darzi was sitting very sadly. Then Riki asked, "Dear friend, what's the matter? Why are you so sad?" Then Darzi replied, "Nag and Nagina had eaten my all eggs. My wife is very sad, crying from the morning. What should I do?" Now Riki thought a little and then said that, "No, don't worry, I will take your revenge." By saying that, he went back to the home, and Darzi announced this news in the whole garden. Nag and Nagina heard it too. When they heard that it was a mongoose, they thought it will be a very tough competitor for them. They thought of killing the mongoose tonight. After planning, Nag went through the hole in the bathroom to kill the mongoose. But unfortunately, the small kid had saw him and shouted loudly. By listening his screaming, Riki came in the bathroom to check what's the matter. When he saw the Nag, now they started fighting. By seeing their fight, the child was very scared and started screaming. After listening his screaming, his parents came and see what's the matter. When they saw the Nag and Riki fighting, the child's father bring a very big gun and shoot the Nag in his neck. Then this news was spread in all garden. When Nagina heard about the Nag's death news, then she was full of anger. She went to the home and saw that the child was sitting in the dining table. She went towards his leg and said to Riki, "Riki, if you come to save him, I will bite him, and if you will not, then I will bite him too." Then Riki was very confused and full of anger. He then thought a little, and then one idea came to his mind. Then he went back to Darzi and asked, "Darzi, do you know where Nagina lays her eggs?" Then he said, "Yes, in the bushes." In the bushes. Riki went there and took one of her egg and went to Nagina and so said that, Nagina, do you want your egg? If you want, then come and take." When Nagina saw her egg, she went towards him and said, "Give me my egg back." When she came towards Riki, he threw the egg in the bushes. And now when Nagina went to the bushes to take her egg, Riki also followed her, and now in the bushes their fight was started. All the birds and frogs were seeing their fighting, but after a while the bushes stopped moving. Then they all thought that Riki was dead, but no, Riki was not dead. After a while, Riki came from the bushes and said to all, from now Nag and Nagina will never eat your eggs, and we all can live happily. When they listened this, they were very happy, and they said that thank you to Riki and started living happily. Now, moral of the story is we should not do bad to others. If we do bad to others, then in return it will harm us only. As you can see, Nag and Nagina used to eat all egg, which is not good. But in payback, they have to lose their lives. Thank you.